What's up, y'all? So, there's something that you guys are going to be learning about coming up here shortly, and I got a feeling we're already a good amount of you are starting to catch on. I don't think you're there yet, but I think you're there, but I think you haven't made the connection yet. But you're about to because I'm about to bring the link here. You're going to be learning about liquids, solids, matters, and gases, and all of these things. And these things that I speak of are related to science. Would you believe me if I told you that a lot of things that are related to science, what science have found, is somewhere in the form of spirituality? It's connected. Now, there might be some dots that are seen and dots that are unforeseen, but there is definitely a connection between science and spirituality. But that's the link I'm bringing here. That's the link that you've been missing. With a lot of you going into this different realm, because y'all are going different ways, different routes. Whatever assignment Father has for y'all going into these different ways and these different routes. But the common denominator that still remains is science and spirituality. And you're all going to be heading and getting on these different rims and floating to these different rims and flying to these different rims and speed driving and, oh my gosh, jumping over ramps, getting to these rims, going down in the waters in the bottom of the oceans, getting to these rims, going to sit on top of the moon, getting to these different rims. Wherever Father has y'all gonna be going to these different places. You're going to find out that solid, liquid, and matter and gas and things that's been scientifically proven are things that are no more than things that were going on in the spiritual realm that were invisible. So, with this being said, you're going to start learning about science and liquids and gases and all of these things. And these things in the spiritual realm equals you having too many layers of coats on, you being too heavy for this journey that you're going on, you being too light. That's why you can't get down there, because you need barbells and you need weights around your ankles to be able to go down there and live and sustain. I wished. Oh, I wished. You not being able to eat this type of heavy food, because when you eat this heavy food, then you can't go to the moon, you can't go to NASA, you can't go sit on top of the stars. You'll be too heavy up there. You'll make a star fall down. You'll fall with the star. You being able to determine by a focal eye point, a third eye, about if that suitcase is going to be too heavy to get on the plane. You need to open the suitcase up and get some of this heavy matter out. You got some pieces in there that would make the plane come down out there. You being around people that suppress your mood, that suppress your mode, that take your happy time away from you. You being able to go with other people and take off that's going to Nassau. They figured it out too. They were being weighed down. They were being weighed down with people. They were being weighed down with responsibilities that wasn't theirs, all because they didn't know how to say no. You're going to learn how to start undressing here. Too much dressing, not enough dressing. Bring on the lettuce. That lettuce is too heavy. Then you got some shredded lettuce. Let me get off